how to read deleted messages on WhatsApp. So if you've accidentally deleted a message or you want to read a message that someone else has deleted, I'm going to show you how to do this on your iPhone. Now there's only really one way to do this, and that's to open up the WhatsApp app, click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side, and then select Chats. Now press Chat Backup, and you first need to make sure you have a WhatsApp backup of all of your chats. So for example, you may have this auto backup feature turned on. You can either set this to daily, weekly, or monthly. And if you already have a backup created, you can basically restore your backup, and this could potentially include the deleted messages. Now, the only way this works is if the message was sent before the backup was created, and also you need to have the backup already on your device. Now, if you have the backup, what you can do is head over to your iPhone home screen, hold down on the WhatsApp app, click on Remove App, and then press Delete. You can then press the Delete button. Now, once you've deleted WhatsApp, you'll need to open up the App Store, and you'll need to go and re-download the app to your device. You can then agree to the terms and conditions and go and enter your phone number. Now you'll see this page where you can go and restore your chat history from the iCloud. So just go and press the restore button, and as long as your conversation was backed up, you'll now be able to see any deleted messages.